Hi everyone, I'm Simeon Gabriel, and today we'll be talking about Jupyter Notebook shortcuts. Okay, some of the tricks Jupyter Notebook. Now, Jupyter Notebook is an interactive and a competitive environment, and it has several useful shortcuts to improve productivity. Now, we'll be going through some of the common used shortcuts in Jupyter Notebook, and without wasting much time, go into it. Now, the first looking at today is how to run the current cell and move to the next cell. Okay, so let's see. Maybe I write print, have print hello. Okay, print hello world. Okay, then I want to run this print hello world and move to the next cell. What I do is I just hold my shift and enter. That's the easiest way to run it than going to this run button, wasting your time. So now these are the shortcuts. This is the shortcut on how to run the current cell and move to the next cell. You see, I run it and I move it to the next, move my cursor to the next cell. Okay, now the next is how to run the current cell and stay in the same cell. Now maybe I say let's say print, let's say I say print hey Python. Okay, maybe I have this and I want to run this current cell and stay in the same cell. Okay, I don't want it also to move to the next cell. What I do is I'll do Control Enter. You see, after running I didn't go to the next cell. I remain at the current cell. I run the program. So now the next shortcut we're looking at is how to run the current cell and insert a new cell below. Okay, if I run the current cell, I am how to insert a new cell below. Okay, now let me run this again so that we can identify if we're able to insert a new cell. Okay, now we'll do us to do that, do the alternate enter. Okay, now I'm on this current cell. I want to run this again and insert a new cell below. So let's see how this goes. Hold the alternate key, alternate enter. Now you see we ran this again and we inserted a new cell below it. Okay, now let's move further. Let's see how we can switch to command mode. That is, switching to command mode means that this border here, this cell border here, change to, and if it changes to command mode, the only thing you can do is you can only navigate through different cell, but you cannot edit anything. Okay, you cannot write any code. So want to see how we can switch to command mode, because this present mode now is editing mode. I can write anything on it. Understand? Okay, so for us to switch to edit, this must change. The border here must change to, for us to switch to command mode, this must change to blue. Okay, now let's see how that goes. For us to switch, we just press our escape button at the top left corner of our keyboard. Okay, once I press this escape button, I'll switch automatically to command mode. Okay, you can see the blue border around the cell here. Now where you can navigate between cells using the arrow keys. Okay, so you can see I can come down. I cannot type anything at this instance. Okay, even if I try to type, it just be popping up something. I just press H and I pop up that thing. So this is how to switch mode. Okay, now another trick, another shortcut is how to switch to edit mode. Now we are currently on the mode of command. Okay, now we want to switch back to edit mode. We can write our code. In this instance, I cannot write anything here. So how to switch to edit mode for this border here, border of this cell, to change to green. Okay, it must change to green for us to know that we are on edit mode. But now we cannot do anything. So to do that, what you have to do is to press the enter. You just be on the cell you want to use that is already on command mode. So you want to switch it to edit mode, just press enter. You see the enter key. Now I can run, I can type whatever I want to type. Okay, now you can see it goes up blinking. Now the next thing is I want to insert a new cell above the current cell. What I will do is it's just a simple way. Whenever you want to apply any of these, some of these shortcuts, you only apply them when the cell you are on is on command mode. Okay, now for us to insert a new cell, we must place the cell, the current cell, on command mode. So for us to do that, for us to switch, press the escape button. We'll switch. Okay, now I want to add a cell above it. Okay, what I'll do is I'll just press, since it's already on command mode, so I'll just press letter A. I keep adding up. Okay, so this is how it works. Now the next is how to insert a new cell to the current cell. And the way we can do that is by, okay, let me see. Okay, let me remove this so that we can be sure what we did. Okay, so now see, I want to add a cell below. Okay, let me just place it here. Okay, remember you have to place it on command mode. Okay, I want to insert a new cell below this current cell. Okay, it's already on command mode, so I'll just press letter B. Okay, that is stands for below. Okay, when you want to add above, you press letter A, which is above. So below the current cell, I'll be adding. You can see it, we are adding. Okay, so the next is how can we delete the current cell we are on. Now I'm on this, I don't need all this. How can I delete it? Now you just do that by double pressing the D button. Okay, the letter D button on your keyboard. So let's try that and see. Okay, let me change this to okay. I'm pressing the letter D button double twice. Okay, you can see deleting. That's how to delete. Okay, so it's how to delete the current cell you are on. Now how can we change current cell type to code? Now if you've been using Jupyter Notebook, you know that whenever you want to change to markdown or to code, you can do that at this drop button here. Okay, you can see code markdown. Now currently we are on the code mode. Okay, now how can we are on the cell type to code? We're already on code type. Okay, I can type, I can write my code, I can write anything. Okay, so right now I want to change. Let me just be on, let me see, I'm markdown. Let's see how this works. You see, whenever we're on markdown, let's see new line. Okay, you see I'm on markdown. The cell type currently is on markdown. You can see it from here. You can place it on raw, you can place on heading code. So the default is code, but now I've placed it on markdown. So I want to change the current cell type to code. Okay, so this is already on command mode. Okay, I just press letter Y. Okay, let's see how this works. I press letter Y, you see it changes. Okay, whenever I want to change it, I just press letter Y. comes to the normal mode. Okay, you can see it comes to the code mode. Okay, so for us to do that, let me return it back so that you can see again what I did there. I'm on markdown, so this is currently on command mode. I just press letter Y and it returns to code type. Sorry, you can see it here. So now how can we change the current cell type now? Yeah, I can change this current cell type back to markdown. Okay, what we can markdown is used for adding text and documentation. We can use something to place a heading. Okay, so how can we change to markdown? What we'll do is you make sure it's on command mode, then you just press letter N. You can see I've changed it to markdown. You can see it here. Okay, now let's move further. How can we change the current cell type to raw? You can see here we have raw. Okay, so how can we change it to raw? Okay, let's see. When we change it to raw, it means that we are putting it in a situation where we have raw unformatted text. Okay, so let's see how we can change it to raw. Make sure it's on command mode. So this is already on markdown. Let's see how can we change it to raw. We just press R. Okay, you can see that's changed to raw. You can see it here. You're getting raw MB convert. Okay, now how can we save our Jupyter Notebook when we're working on something on Jupyter Notebook? How can we save it? Now my Jupyter Notebook is on auto save. Okay, so on auto save. But if you want to save something on your Jupyter Notebook, the only thing you have to do, you have to do the Control X. Sorry, you have to do Control X. Now you see something indicating a checkpoint created so time by saving it. Control X. Okay, you can see it here. So now let's move further. Let's see what we can do again. One of the shortcuts, how to comment or uncomment a selected line of code. Now let's place this back to code mode. Press out Y. Now I've written something down here, new line. Now I want to comment. Now whenever you comment on Python doesn't execute the comments line. Okay, note that. So what I do is, if I want to comment, the easiest way is to I want to introduce a hashtag. Whenever you introduce the hashtag to a particular line of code, it changes to this color. Okay, to the green color. So that means Python cannot execute this code. See, even if I run this, Python will not execute it. Okay, Python doesn't recognize. So the easiest way to add the hashtag is to press Ctrl \. Okay, you see it changes. Once you just press Ctrl \, it changes. When I want to uncomment, I just press the Ctrl \, it's uncomment. Okay, so now the next thing is, how can we show documentation and function signature? Okay, now we'll make sure that we are dealing with something that is inside parentheses. Okay, for the object at the current supposition. Now we see print hey Python. Now I want to see the documentation of this thing, the signature. What I do is I do Shift Tab. Okay, you see, if you do Shift Tab, you see the documentation of this here. You can see what we're having. Tell you that print value is how it works. Okay, so just press your Shift Tab, that will happen. Okay, so now we move further. All right, now how can we split the current cell into two? Okay, at the cursor position. Let's see if we can do that. I think that happens with Control Shift. Okay, let's see. You can see this is how to split the current cell into two. What I did was let me undo it. Okay, how to split it into two. Okay, let's see. Okay, let me remove this. Okay, now I have a Python. Now I want to split this current cell into two at this particular cursor position. Okay, you can see the cursor position. So I want to split into two. I just do my control shift minus. Okay, you can see it. I splitted it from this cursor position into two. Okay, you can see it's no longer in the normal position. So let's see how we can merge the current cell with the cell below. Okay, let's see how we can do that. How we can merge the current cell with the cell below. Let's undo this. How we can do that? We will do control shift plus. Okay, let's see. So undo this. Let's undo this. So okay, I want to see. Let me write some code here. Let me say Python. Okay, let me run this. Okay, okay. So let me say new line. Okay, now okay, sorry, I have to make this backslash. Sorry. So now I want to join. I want to merge these three together. Okay, these three together. So what I do is I press my escape button, then hold my shift, I select it. Okay, I press my arrow button down. Once I change it to command mode, I hold my shift, press it down. Okay, I want to merge these three cells together. So what I do is I press shift M. Okay, you can see I merged it into a single cell. Okay, so there are so many shortcuts in this. Another one you can do is, let's say I create a string s is equals to, let's say test. I'm creating a string. Okay, then I say x. Now if I want to know the functions, the different method of a string, okay, now I can just say dot. Okay, if I place this dot here, okay, now we can access the different methods like I said. Like that. Once we do s dot, we'll just press the tab. Okay, you can see it. When you do s dot, you just press the tab button. You see the different methods. You see capitalize and the rest. So let's just use capitalize and see what happens. Yeah, capitalize, then run. You see it has capitalized the string word here, the starting word it has capitalized it. Now, okay, let's see how we can select and maybe wipe away some of the cell. You just press the escape button, change it to move, hold your shift, control down. I've selected it, then want to delete it. See, I clicked, I pressed D double times. Okay, so if you want to see more of this shortcut, just put it at the command mode, then just press enter H. You see a different shortcut. Okay, the ones you can do on command mode, pressing the escape to enable it, and the ones you can do in the edit mode. Okay, so you can search more of this yourself. So thank you very much. I hope you got something from this. Please do well to subscribe to my channel, and also press the like button, and I want to see your comments in the comment section, what you want me to do or what you learned. Maybe you can drop something in the comment section. Maybe you want me to do a video on something. So alright, thank you very much.